Chill! Ah! Yo, yeah, bitch. Hi everyone. As y'all can see from the title, today we are actually going to start off with a little bit of Minecraft. So I have a few worlds, which I do need to organize. So we're going to create a brand new one. I would put it in hard mode, but I just know I would die in like the first few minutes, if anything. I haven't played Minecraft in a while. So I'm going to be a parkour master. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, so what we have so far, we got 3 cats already. I found one that looked like my cat, so I really went to go try to get it. Oh my god, one of the... That's such you guys. Take a little... There you go. We can go mining maybe, and hopefully we can find somewhere cool while we're at. I just realized that I need torches, so... Actually, I feel like this is not even deep enough. Hold on. But... Hello, hi! Thank you so much for the raid. Yay, some coal. That's exactly what we were looking for. Beep boop. Mining in the dark terrifies me. No, same though, because I hate mining like most of the time. I'm more of a builder type of person, so I don't like mining, but like I do just some nice little games. What the fuck? I'm just so brave. Oh, there's a skeleton already. Ooh, Mary, I ain't afraid no skeleton. Let me just put some light though. Oh, okay, maybe I'm a little scared of you though. Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, fuck. Ooh, ooh. Dodge it. Ah, what the fuck, you weren't even facing me? Ah! Ah! Alright. Where did the creeper go? Okay, I can't do anything if he keeps getting closer to me. So should we just... Wait. I need more open space. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. We got this. Okay. Chill. Oh. Well, went better than I expected, so I'll take that as a win. Is it raining? Oh no, my cats are out in the rain! I'm on my way. Oh, I missed my cat growing up! You're all so grown now. What the fuck? I was gone for like not even that long. Damn. Making me a little sad over here. Alright, we're gonna make them a little like shed type of thing. Just so that... Alright. Alright, guys. Come in! Why? Can they not? Okay, I was gonna say, how can they not? Alright. She's facing the wall! Wait, yo! Come here. Alright, well, we figured out which one's the troubled cat already. Ooh, okay. We found a pretty big cave here. They saw me, 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 they saw me. Wait. I ain't afraid of no skeleton creeper. Yo, chill! Oh my god, I'm gonna actually... I ain't afraid of no skeleton creeper. Yo! Yeah! Bitch! Hey, skeleton. Ooh, dodged! Oh my god, because I'm just so much better. Hey, little Spidey. Hey. Oh shit. Ah! I'm just so smart. I don't know if I want to risk it. I don't know. I kind of like it up here. It's more calm. Maybe we'll just go back up. Maybe this was a mistake. Maybe we should go back up. Yeah, we're in style now, baby. Look at that. Yes, the drip is forming nicely. It's just too much ice, you know? I'm just filled with it. Why did I think I had enough? Well, we can go without a chest plate. I think we're fine. We're fine.